Hello Reddit mods. Got my next lock for my purple belt. It's going to be this Yale Superior. I've seen a couple other videos with 5 pins and 4 sliders, 7 pins and 4 sliders. This one has 9 pins and 4 sliders, but I think it's still just a purple belt, so that's what this video's for. I had just got it open and not gutted yet when my wife called me, and since I'm recording on my phone, it stopped the video. So we're gonna try it again. Got it locked up in the vise. Here's the keys. Works well, brand new. I did take it apart, so here's the other half. Alright, let's try this again. Hopefully this video is shorter than the last one. The last one was at like 7 or 8 minutes without gutting it, so. Alright, got a nice click already, that's good. Alright. It's always nice when you can film set and hear them. Alright, let's see if I can get a little better angle so it's not my thumb that you're seeing the whole time. Alright, I like to use a flag facing the other way for the other row of pins. Sometimes I don't have the sliders pushed out of the way though, and it kind of catches on those. Alright, I better stop talking for a while or I may never get it open. Alright, got a good false set there. I think I've got everything set but the sliders. Let's try pushing them all one direction and then moving them around a bit from there. Make sure I didn't drop any pins. They all feel pretty good. Sorry, just trying to get a little more comfortable. There's just like one thing left. I'm not sure if it's a slider or a pin. There we go. Not gonna give him. All right. Now I gotta keep it in frame so that this counts, and hope nobody calls me again or my phone doesn't die. Okay. Get that right there, and let's take this out. All right. Okay, it is open. I am gonna lock it because I got the key. And then let's angle this down just a little more. And I've got this cheap little thing holding my phone up, so hopefully it doesn't fall. All right, get the clip off of there. Put the key in. Okay, so far so good. You can see the sliders in there. Let's take off this bar, sidebar. Okay, got the little springs there. I better take those out or I'm gonna lose them. They will fall out. All right, I better be a little more careful. I just dropped a pin, so. You know what? Let's use a pick to get that tiny little spring out of there. All right, got it. And didn't lose it. All right, let's. Now it feels like it's going to tip over. All right, so looks like we dropped 2 pins. Okay, there are 2 down there. So let's take the key out and hold the sliders in there. Here's pin 1. 2 already fell out. 3. All right, that's not for a minute, so 4, 5, 6, 7. That was 8 that came out a minute ago. 9. And these sliders. So we got whoops. All right, there's 1 slider, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, well, there's the core again. 9 pins, 4 sliders. Nice and long. Got some good drill protection. Here's a close-up of the pins. Oh, I am forgetting driver pins. Okay, well, why is that? Oh, that's that's the drill protection. Okay, there's pin 1 that went shooting out. It's the only security pin in there. 2, 3. Oops, I a spring shoot up. There we go. 4. These are all standards except the first one and the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, 6, 7. I saw spring. There's a spring. And 8. 8 and 9. See, 9. Let me show you pin 9. I'm not sure if you'd consider it. I mean, I'm not sure what you'd call that, but it's got just a little, kind of like a little spool. So there's 9. All the springs, they're just small little springs. Hopefully I didn't lose a bunch of them. Here's the drill protection that's in there. Alright, I don't think all the springs came out, but better get them out. Okay, I think that's all of them. Well, thank you for watching my video. Been putting these videos off for a while. Not my favorite thing to do, but it's always impressive to me how many pins and springs and stuff come out of a core like that. So, alright, well, we're at almost 12 minutes, so I will turn this off and submit it, and thank you for watching.